Just fight a little longer, my friend. It's all worth it. When you got nobody to turn to. So hold on and I'll
Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your salesman, AJ Anderson, down here at Bill Fick Ford in Huntsville, Texas. And I'm sitting here with my new friends, Courtney and Ashley, and they just bought a brand new 2018 F350 Platinum. This thing is amazing. This would be the truck that I would get if I could go and pick out any truck on the lot. I'm excited for them. Courtney, how was your experience, brother?
Good experience, great experience, man. Y'all come down here, they take good care of me, make it least painful as possible. Get you in and out, man. Did a good job, so I'm very satisfied.
Well, that's what's up, man. So we stand out a little bit than anyone else that you dealt with.
I've been to Planet Ford, I've been to Friendly Ford, all of them. Y'all are way better than all of them, man. I'm glad I bought it.
All right, man. So what was the thing that stuck out most here rather than anywhere else?
Man, it's just the way y'all, customer service, the way y'all take care of people, man. Y'all do a good job. Like I say, you get in and out, man. Ain't no BS crap. They do what they need to do.
No bull here at Bill Fick Ford, right?
Yes, sir.
And Ashley, how's your experience?
Amazing. It was pretty good.
That's it, y'all. I didn't even pay them to say that. This is coming straight from them. And if I can help you out, hit me up on my cell phone at 936-293-0812. And remember, I'm your salesman, AJ Anderson. I'm bringing honesty back to truck sales. Y'all have a good one.
They say fear haunts you, and pain hates. I say pain strengthens, and fear drives faith. And I don't know all of the outcomes, don't know what happens tomorrow. But when that ocean of doubt comes, don't let me drown in my sorrow, and don't let me stay at the bottom. I feel like this hole is too deep to climb. I've been looking for a way out, but I'll settle for a peace of mind.